Today, we're diving into the world of dashcams, those essential tech companions for drivers. Stick around as we break down the top 3 best dashcams of 2024. As always, the links to the products can be found down below in the description. These links will give you the best prices for all of the products, so make sure that you use them before you make a purchase. First up, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts. A dashcam in a league of its own with ultra-clear 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. We're talking about capturing license plates from far away, and tiny details in case of an incident. But the 622 gigawatts doesn't stop there. It's also packing built-in Alexa. Need to start recording an incident? Just tell Alexa. Want to review footage? Just ask. It's like having a super smart co-pilot right there on your dashboard. And speaking of safety, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts comes equipped with their Emergency SOS feature. This means that in case of an accident, the dashcam can automatically alert emergency services with your location. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts does come with a premium price tag, and it's definitely an investment. So yeah, it's an investment, but it's one that could potentially save you a lot of headaches. And even money down the line. If you're serious about your safety and you don't mind shelling out a bit extra for that peace of mind, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have the Garmin Dashcam 66W, and this one's all about that field of view. We're talking a super wide 180-degree lens that captures everything happening in front of you. With a standard dashcam, you might miss crucial details, but with the Garmin 66W's expansive field of view, you're covered. But it's not just about the wide-angle lens. The Garmin 66W is also incredibly user-friendly. It features voice control, so you can start and stop recording, take pictures, and even save those important clips, all with just your voice. No more fumbling with buttons while you're driving, just keep those hands on the wheel and let your voice do the work. And let's not forget about the design. The Garmin 66W is super compact and discreet. It's not going to obstruct your view, and it blends right in with your car's interior. Now, one thing to note is that the Garmin Dashcam 66W doesn't record in 4K. That being said, 1440p is still more than enough for most drivers, and the Garmin 66W makes up for it with its wide-angle lens, voice control, and compact design. If you want a dashcam that's easy to set up, simple to operate, and captures everything happening in front of you, the Garmin Dashcam 66W is an excellent choice. And last but not least, we have the ThinkWare U1000, and this one is for all the tech enthusiasts out there. This dashcam is absolutely loaded with features, including dual-channel recording. That means you get both front and rear cameras, giving you complete 360-degree coverage of your surroundings. This is particularly useful for capturing hit and runs, accidents that happen behind you, or even just keeping an eye on what's going on in the back seat. The ThinkWare U1000 also comes with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. We're talking lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and even front vehicle departure warnings, which can be super helpful in heavy traffic. And if that's not enough, the U1000 even offers cloud connectivity. This means you can access your dashcam footage from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. You can also receive real-time alerts on your phone if your car is bumped or if there's an impact detected. Now, all of these features do come at a cost, and I'm not just talking about the price tag, although it is on the higher end. The ThinkWare U1000 can be a bit complex to set up and configure, especially with all the advanced features it offers. If you're all about that dual-channel recording, driver assistance systems, and cloud connectivity, the ThinkWare U1000 is the ultimate dashcam for you. So there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best dashcams of 2024. Whether you're after the crisp 4K footage of the Nextbase 622 gigawatts, the wide-angle view and user-friendliness of the Garmin Dashcam 66W, or the feature-packed powerhouse that is the ThinkWare U1000, there's a perfect dashcam out there for everyone. Remember, a dashcam isn't just a gadget, it's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and guides. Let us know in the comments which dashcam you think is the best, or if you have any other recommendations.